Good CrafterNoon, everyone. Today we're going to be making this cute little multi-tool kit that folds up just like mom or dad's real multi-tool kit. Pretty cool, huh? It's a great way to learn dexterity, follow directions for the younger craftsmen in our families. So this little kit comes with everything you need to put it together. The directions, however, not so clear. So I'm going to try to help you out and get this right. Inside of our multi-tool kit, we have some instructions, message to parents, safety, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't tell you a whole lot about putting it together, besides this little assembly photo on the back. So I'm going to help you out here. It also comes with little sandpaper and the little pegs. So let's get those out of the bag and get started. Okay. The assembly diagram is on the back of the packaging, and when I put these together I always start from the bottom and go to the top. So the first piece that we're going to need is the one that looks like a popsicle stick with a little notch out at the end, and I'm going to lay it the same way it shows in the diagram. And then we need to add 3 of our pegs to the holes. Okay. The next piece we add is the knife piece. We're going to add it to our tool with the logo on the back side. Okay, like that. Next, we take the piece that looks like this, line it up the same way, and it will go over the left and the center peg. And push down. It also needs to fit right in this little notch at the end, so it fits like that. Make sure everything is assembled tightly on the back side. Okay, that keeps coming out. Okay, moving right along, after that we're going to take the first part of our wrench and add it to just the last hole on the side. Okay, just like that. We need another one of these pieces that's going to fit on like this. It will fit on the middle and the right hand peg, and slide down on those pegs and have it fit right in this notch right there. Okay, everything's looking real tight at the back. All right, so the next piece we need is the one that sort of looks like a horseshoe-ish, and it's going to lay on all 3 of those pegs. It may need some finagling and a little push. It should just assemble like that. Let's make sure everything is straight on the back side. All our pegs are in good. Okay. Next piece is a solid, and it will fit over all 3 pegs. Make sure that the peg doesn't come up from the bottom. Keep it laying flat like so. Push it into place. Okay, assembled. Perfect. Now let's start on the top half. So once again, we need another solid piece and add our 3 pegs. Like so. Okay. Then we're going to add the little saw blade so that the blades are facing the back. It goes on this far right peg. Next we need another one of these guys. It looks like that. It is going to be put on the middle and left pegs, and remember that it needs to fit in this little notch right there. Okay? Next piece after that is another one of these little horseshoey type pieces that fits over all 3 pegs. And sometimes it's tricky to get them in there, but be patient and they will slide down. Okay. After that piece, we will add another one of these. On the center and right peg. Then we need the other part of the pliers, which will fit on like that. This little notch needs to fit right into that little notch. So let's put that on there, like so. They fit snug in there. And our top piece with the notch facing towards the back. And we put it over all 3 of the pegs. And sometimes we have a little trouble. The peg wants to pop back through, and we don't want that to happen. Otherwise, nothing will stay together. And if you need to sand it a little bit, you may need to do that. There we go. Or just give it a little punch. So now it's time to put our multi-tool together. The piece with the saw blade, we will lay this direction. Piece with the knife, we will lay so that the logo is facing up. Across the 2, put the little peg right there, fit the 2 pegs together, and ta-da! You have just made your first multi-tool kit. And it should, if everything goes correctly, fit together perfectly. Happy tool time, everyone. Thanks for watching.